Okay, we're trying to factor this trinomial using the guess and check method. So I know that this is going to break into two binomials. Give it a shot. If you think you're ready, you're going to make a T for the first and the last numbers. Put all your factor pairs in there. Paige, give me some numbers that multiply to get you to 9.
1 and 9.
1 and 9.
3 and 3.
3 and 3. Any others? That's it. Okay, now let's go to 16. 1 and 16. 2 and 8. What else? 4 and 4. Eventually, you're going to get so good at this that you don't have to write the pairs out. You'll be able to just kind of think of them in your head. So, remember what you're trying to do. You're trying to find one of these pairs of numbers in addition, well, along with one of these pairs, and you're trying to get to 40. You're going to multiply the numbers together. One of these with one of these gets multiplied together, and then the other in that pair gets multiplied together. And when you add those answers, we're trying to get to 40. Once you have found those pairs, circle them so you don't forget them, and then see if you can fill in the binomials in the right way. If you can't find the factor pairs, if that's where you're stuck, you're like, I don't know, I can't get there, just go. There's only so many, right? There's not that many pairs. We can sort of work our way through it. If you think it's the 1 and 9 and the 1 and 16, well, it's either 9 times 16. Well, that's already way bigger than 40, so that's not right. All right, so it can't be that. What if I did 1 and 16 and 9 and 1? Well, that's 16 plus 9. Does that get me to 40? No, so it's not 1 and 9 with 1 and 16. That's not the right pair. Try, 3 and 3 with 1 and 16. 3 times 16, that's already bigger than 40. That can't be the right pair. Okay, that's it. Because it doesn't matter, that one's out. So keep going till you find this pair. So now if neither of them worked with 1 and 16, so that one's gone. Try 1 and 9 and 2 and 8. So let's see. 9 times 8, that's already way too big. 9 times 2, that's 18. And then that would be 1 times 8 is 8. 18 plus 8. That doesn't get me to 40. So that's not the right pair. All right, let's try 3 and 3 and 2 and 8. All right, well, 3 times 8 is 24. And 3 times 2 is 6. 24 and 6. Is that my right pair? No, that gets me to 30. So that's not it either. So it wasn't this one. Okay, now let's try 1 and 9, 4 and 4. Well, 36 and 4. Oh, hey! Isn't 36 and 4 40? There's my pair. So it's 1 and 9 and 4 and 4. Once you have your pair figured out, you just have to put it in here the right way. Remember what I keep telling you, these go in the first slot of each set of binomials. So it's going to be a 1x, or just x, and 9x. What did I have? Well, these are both 4s, so we kind of get away with, right? I can't mess that up because they're both 4s, so it doesn't really matter where they go. Now just double check. We guessed, and now we're checking. 9x squared plus 4 plus 36. Yep, that's plus 40. Plus 16. I know I'm right. Are we okay? Yeah? Everybody's all right?